in blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So what I'm going to do for you guys today is basically an easy makeup look that you can wear to work, school, or just an everyday makeup look. I actually have nothing on my face and we're going to actually do everything from the beginning to the end. So let's get started. Hey guys, so since I have dry skin, the first thing that I'm going to be putting on my face are these Creme Shop oil drops, and I'm just putting them on the driest parts of my face, which are generally my cheeks. But if you do not have dry skin, then you can skip this step because that step will not be needed for you. Okay, so after I have put on my face drops, the next thing I'm going to put on is my SPF, and this is by Kiwi Botanicals, and this is their daily face moisturizer, and this is their SPF 30, and I'm just going to rub that all over my face. And then the next step I'm going to do is take my rose water spray and just spritz my face. Now going to put on my face primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Face Primer, and I'm just going to rub this in all over my face. Next up, I'm going to be applying my Bare Minerals, and this is also foundation that has SPF, and it has, let me see, I think it has SPF 15 or 20. Oh yeah, it has SPF 20 on there, you guys, and this is in the color Cashmere 6, so I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And I'll be using a beauty blender today to blend this foundation out. Next, I'll be using my Morphe concealer in the color C155 and only applying that where I need. So let's not go too crazy with the concealer. So I'm just going to be applying a dot here in the inner eye and then the outer eye. Same thing to the other eye, go down the nose. I put a little bit under my nose, over my chin, and then a smiley face on my forehead. Okay, so while I still have the concealer right here, then I go into my cream contour palette. I'm taking this middle shade here, and that is just called Light Sculpt, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have a skinny brush like this, and I pretty much just go down the nose and give myself a quick contour. I go down the cheek, down the jawline, over the head, and now it's time to blend in. So the first thing I blend in is my eyes. Then I'm going to take the bottom side of my beauty blender and blend all of this in. So next up, I'm going to be putting on my blush, and I'm going to be using this color on top, and this is called Call Me Nice. I will just be lightly dabbing that on my cheek in an upward motion, and the same thing for the other side. Don't get any blush anywhere near your mouth. Let's say your blush is packed on too much, you can always use your beauty blender to further blend it in with your face so it looks more natural. Okay, next up I will be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer and going to bronze up my face. I pretty much just re-go over where I contoured, so quickly down the nose, I go over my eyes, the forehead, and the jawline. So I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye pencil today, and I'm just going to first brush up my brows. This is in the color medium brown, FYI, and I'm just going to start filling in my brows. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and just give my brows a quick swoop. Next up, I'm going to be taking my P. Louise Eye Base and using the Beauty Blender just to pat that in. Okay, and finally onto the eyes, I'm going to be using the My Melody palette. I will be taking this matte color right here called Cookie Day and applying that all over my eyelid. Do the same thing to the other eye. Next, I will be taking this shimmery brown right here, and this is called Kawaii, and you will need an angle brush for this. This will act as our eyeliner, so we're just going to quickly line our eyes with the brown. Same thing to the other eye. Now outline the bottom lids. Okay, now we are going to take this coffee brown, and this is called Berry Sweet. You will just need your blending brush. This part's very easy. All you're going to do is blend outside the corner a little bit. Blend in a circular motion on the inner corners. Nothing too fancy. Same thing to the other eye. Next, you're going to take this color right here called Pound Cake, and you're going to use your finger, and we're going to apply that on the center of our lids. And you're going to take that same color Pound Cake with a smaller brush and put some on your inner teardrops. Next, you're going to take your favorite mascara and eyelash curler and curl your eyes and put mascara. Okay, and before I forget, I'm going to use this same palette here, and I'm going to highlight my face with this bottom color, and this is called Friendly Rivals. And I'm just going to pat that down on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and anywhere you would normally highlight. Okay, next you guys, for the ones who don't know, I do have my own cosmetic brand, Adore Me More Cosmetics. This is just a sheer lip gloss with no color. It's a hydrating lip gloss, and I'm going to put that on my lips. The lip gloss is available on my website for $3 only at adoremeandmorecosmetics.com. Lastly, I'm going to take my rose water spray and spray my face down as a setting spray. And this is it, you guys. This is the completed look for your everyday makeup look that you would take to work, go to school, go to college. So yes, you guys, here is the final look up close. Here are the eyes. And this would be your easy look for every day, going to work, going to school, and the more and more you do it, the faster you will get. It's a very, very pretty look to wear as an everyday look. We all have that one routine that we like to stick by, and this is one of my fastest routine looks that I normally like to do, that I stick by. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. And of course, I always have different models at the end for when I tell you when to subscribe. Subscribe if you like to work smarter and not harder. So yes, this is the easy look where you're basically working smarter, not harder, and you're still coming out very, very pretty and glamorous. So yes, you guys, please do subscribe to me. Please do subscribe and support small little YouTube channels, because it's very important that you share, like, and help us grow. I would really, really do appreciate that. Be sure to give me a comment below on what you thought about this look, and if you want to see more videos like this. Also, side note, be sure to subscribe, for the reason why is I'm going to be doing a whole Halloween pretty much 13 looks for Halloween for the month of October of how to do your makeup and so forth. So be sure to stick and watch my channel, you guys, because I am not just a regular makeup artist, I do FX as well. So be sure to stay tuned for those soon videos that will be coming in October. So 13 videos of 13 looks. So I'm going to be announcing that all the way until October comes. And I will see you guys all on the next one, okay? Bye!